everyone, and welcome to today's video. I've been wanting to do this video for quite a while now. This video is about skin products that I used for 3 months straight. I didn't want to talk about them yet because I wanted to see how they worked on my skin. I kind of knew they were going to be good, but I wanted to talk to you guys about it. And this is my daily nighttime routine. This is by Estée Lauder, and this is their advanced night repair products that I've been using at night. I've also been using a Perfectionist Pro. This is a rapid, firm, and lift treatment. And I just want to discuss quickly, literally, I used all 3 of these products for 3 months straight, and I saw what I think is great improvement. Now, I never get botox, I never get fillers, never have, probably never will, but you know, who knows? I don't know. I doubt I will. I don't think I'm going to, but I really need, and I've said it so many times, and if you hear me say it again, I'm sorry, I really need good products for my skin because I don't take that route. I'm taking the route instead of using good skincare products instead of the other route. And if you take the other route, good for you, that's great, you're gonna look beautiful. It's just a personal preference. This video is not sponsored. They did, however, send me the products. I worked with them on something else, but not this video today. I wanna share with you guys my experience with using these products every night. I would start off with the Perfectionist Pro Rapid, Firm, and Lift Treatments. This is to redefine your visible future. This is ideal for firming, lifting, lines and wrinkles, instant radiance, uneven texture, and help reduce pores. So this one I would use actually in the daytime as well. This is for PM and AM, and I put this on all the time to reduce those little fine lines. Why not? This is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. It comes with this cooling steel wand, so that's really good for puffiness. You know, sometimes they say put a spoon in the freezer and put it on your eyes. Well, while you're putting this on your eyes, you're also cooling it down, so it reduces the puffiness, makes you feel more awake, more alive, and this formula helps to reduce the same thing, the crow's feet, the fine lines, the puffiness, dark circles if you have. And this is the Advanced Night Repair Serum. This I still have very little in here left. By the way, this is the #1 serum in the US. Estée Lauder, the first ones to introduce a nighttime serum, and they're also the first ones to introduce hyaluronic acid in their serum, which is pretty big now. I totally see a difference in my skin and my face, my fine lines, even like this guy here. My biggest thing is my forehead. I've always had lines. I know you still see them, but let me tell you something. These lines here were even worse before I started using this. It even helped reduce this guy a little. I've had this guy for ages, and it's just a big line. Some people have the 2, I have 1, and it's so deep, but I gotta tell you something, using this every night definitely helped puff that out. These products got rid of my crow's feet, my smile lines a little less, my jawline, which I hate. I'm telling you, I use this along with other products like my roller, my jade roller, and my microcurrent device. I did a video on the other day that was from Valus. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but that as well improved. You know, you have to like kind of use a lot of other little, you have to use other little things. You have to do masks every now and then and treatments to your skin. But for the everyday nighttime routine, now that I'm trying out skincare products a little more and I'm venturing out, I have to give them some time, like a month or 2. This one I gave a good 3 months because I just happened to be, that's just what I've happened to be doing. I am starting to try another new product right now for my skincare, a whole like little kit. So I will talk to you about that when I am done and see how I feel actually. If I feel I like it, but so far I really like it. So hopefully I will continue to, and I will continue to see radiant skin, etc. For you guys who are looking for youthful skin without such evasive ways of getting it, like needles and yeah, that's not for me. That's just not. I don't want to do that, and I want to look my age. I don't want to look younger. I don't want to look younger. I have kids in their 20s. I don't want to look like their age. I want to be. I'm their mother, you know. So I want to look my age. I'm proud of being 51. I'll be 52 in a few months actually, but I'm proud of my age, and you should be proud of your age too. I mean, I don't think I have to sell you on Estee Lauder, but I do have to tell you that these products did really make my skin look radiant and younger and youthful looking. Definitely gonna keep these in my drawer, and I'm gonna repurchase them when I'm not trying out other skincare products. There's certain skincare products you just want to, oh, this is good, but then when you find something that really works great, you stick to it. Even if I mix them around with some other things that I use and I like, I'm going to do that. I'm just going to include it in my nighttime routine. Sometimes you have so many things that are so good, so I'll mix them around. I'll use this like every other night and use those. But at the moment, again, I did finish this up, but at the moment, again, I am strictly trying one brand because I want to see how it works. But that's another video and not yet. Just letting you guys know what I do and how I get my skin to look. Listen, I know it doesn't look like a 20, 30-year-old face. But again, as I said before, I'm not looking for that. I just want to maintain my youthful look. Nowadays, I think with health and eating better and everything, we all kind of do look better for our age than back in the day, perhaps. I don't know. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if there's anything you'd like me to try out for you. And yeah, so that's it. Okay, guys, I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.